When I started becoming wealthy, the hardest part wasn't making money. It was learning how to feel comfortable with it. I was embarrassed to say I was prospering. I felt guilty for having things others didn't. Likewise, I even hid my achievements from my own family. And you know what happened? I started losing what I earned because my energy was saying, "This is wrong, I shouldn't have this." Only when I understood that money is a neutral tool, something I can use to create, to help, to build my life, finally aligned financially. I freed myself from guilt, and I began acting with awareness and responsibility. Now I want to invite you to do the same. Starting today, observe your thoughts about money. Every time a judgment, guilt, or negative thought appears, pause. Look at it. Replace it with something like, "Money is my ally. It comes to me easily. I use it for good." And here's a simple but powerful exercise. For the next few days, every time you hold cash or a card, keep it in your hand for a few seconds and quietly say, "Thank you, welcome into my life." It may sound silly, but try it, because it changes the way your mind and body relate to money. And when that relationship changes, everything changes. You weren't born to fear your bills. You weren't born to survive. Likewise, you were born to prosper. And prosperity begins with permission. Money is not your enemy. It's simply waiting for you to stop running and finally welcome it. Now let me tell you something that might sting a little. If you keep being around the same people, doing the same things, staying in the same places, you will keep getting the same results. Your life is a reflection of the environment you live in. And if your environment breathes lack, guess what? You'll breathe too. Most people don't understand the power their environment has over their thoughts. You wake up, turn on the TV, and hear about crisis, unemployment, and decline. You go to work and hear co-workers complaining about their salary, their life, and their luck. And that energy transfers to you. You go home, open your phone, and see people saying only the privileged become rich. All day long, your environment programs you to feel fear, doubt, and inadequacy. So tell me, how can you prosper when you're drowning in a field of negative energy that paralyzes you every single day? Have you ever tried to do something different and been criticized for it? Have you shared a dream and someone told you, "Better stay realistic"? Have you wanted to invest in yourself and someone said it's foolish, that you'll lose your money? That's how the environment works, like an invisible prison. You move, you get excited, and someone pulls you back. And the worst part, that someone is often the person you love the most. But listen carefully, love does not equal direction. Someone can love you deeply and still have no idea how to help you grow. Stay strong. I'll see you in the next video.